Hey, good morning traders and welcome to the next way trading. My name is Lester. Today in this video, let's go to have or start this social trading community today. So the first thing they're gonna do is lead my accounts with a good amount, but the amount that I recommend you using to be part of this. I'm gonna trade with $300. So right now I'm gonna request my withdrawal with two brokers and start my trading session today. Let's rock with this video. Hey, good morning traders, welcome. Today I can't sleep, I feel, I don't know, a little nervous, but let's go to request my withdrawal with both brokers for binary options. The amount, let's go to do the math. I want to leave it $300, exactly $300. So my Bitcoin address, and that's it. Have $300. Let's go to trading with real account. It's gonna do the same with FOREX. Then send me a code, verification code by email. Let's go to receive, a few seconds to receive it. Let me check FOREX. That's it. So right now I have $300 with both accounts. And that's it. Okay, let's go to explain how we are gonna do this new process for my social trading community. The first thing we are gonna do here is to be part of this community. I just creating the Discord channel, and here I'm gonna share my results with pocket option, with FOREX, and let me think how we can earn money together with IQ option. So here I'm gonna send to you in the moment the ending my trading session the results we have ending the day. Remember this, with both brokers, I don't recommend you use your 100% of your balance to trade or copy my trades. That can be a risk for all of us. And if you put your 100% of your balance trading or copy my trading, I'm gonna trade with $50 per trade, or I just consider it the 10% can be $30 or $50 per trade with these two brokers. Okay, what the strategy I gonna use? And well, I'm gonna use in a lot of strategies for the strategies that I always use to be writable with my with binary options, and the strategies that I consider it can help us to earn money together. This strategy, or the strategy is going to use, it's going to be different for both brokers. Remember, I had my own strategy with the broker FOREX, and my using the Bollinger Bands, and the way that I gonna trade with this broker is going to be simple, and the method is going to be easy and quickly to trade with both brokers. So the trade is going to be short trades. To end of the day, remember, I'm going to send the results. How much money we earn, or the trade we have in the money, and that information I'm gonna send to you every single day. This is Holy Week here in this part of the world. I don't know in other countries, so maybe the market's gonna be unstable in the next days. So let's go to check it out. How much money we can earn today and maybe tomorrow, and that's it. I think this market is gonna close it, so we can try the next week. So we have 2 days to generate profits with this. How to be part of this new community that I'm working on it right now. So it's gonna be simple to be part of this, guys. Just need to register and deposit using the links below on this video. Send to us the information, and my team is gonna add you to my social trading with the broker that you select. If you want to use it FOREX, if you want to use it pocket option, with the broker that you select, my team is gonna add you to my social trading. The method is gonna be so simple, and with only copy my trading, we are gonna start working together. So I'm gonna start just with my trading session. I don't want to record in this. I feel a little nervous, but I think this is a good start for all of us, and I want to work just a normal day. Do not consider it I'm working with your money, or I have a huge responsibility on my shoulders. I want to feel normal here, and don't think in this start we need to earn money right now because everybody is waiting for you. So I want to do it normal, and I don't want to record all my trading sessions. I'm gonna share my results in the moments that will consider it necessary, and you can leave it your comment below on this video if you want to be part of this. You can send me an email if you want to be part of this, and remember the methods are simple, using the links below on this video, and register and deposit to be part of Discord group. The link is below of this video too. Just click it and you can be part of Discord group channel and receive all the news we are going to share with you here. So wish me good luck and see you in the next wave.